What's the meaning of Cape Cod? Cape Cod. Cape Cod.
Cape Cod. Cape Cod. Cape Cod is a geographic cape located in the easternmost portion of Massachusetts, USA. It extends 65 miles, 105 kilometers into the Atlantic Ocean, forming the outer edge of Massachusetts Bay and enclosing Cape Cod Bay. The Cape Cod name dates back to the arrival of the Pilgrims in 1620, who named it after the plentiful codfish they discovered in its waters. Today, Cape Cod is a popular tourist destination known for its scenic beaches, quaint towns, maritime history, and unique local cuisine.